Alright then, hello. Let's see, last time we did matter, we did ancient, inside, outside, atmosphere. Okay. Wonder what we're building towards at the moment. Let's see. We have a new verb. Set 0 variable 3 precedes. Set 0 variable 0. Oh. So 3 precedes 0. Okay. Past set 0 is not present set 0. Okay. So is this word... Do we have a word for future? Yes, okay. So let's assume future. No. So what is this word? And is this the word you want me to say? Oh wait, I see. Past set 0, the line breaks are confusing sometimes. Past set 0 is not present set 0, okay. Set 0... Do you want me to say past? Do you want me to say present? Do you want me to say unknown A? Okay. So, what was that actually trying to tell me? It's a verb. If set 0 variable 3 precedes set 0 variable 0. Okay. If past set 0 is not present set 0, then set 0 what? Ages? Changes, maybe? Changes over time? Let's see. Something to do with changes over time. So let's see, molecule 0 is 2 atom 1 and an atom 8, and that's water, right? Set 0 is solid molecule 0, okay? So set 0 is ice. If set 0 heat is huge, assume. Set 0 changes over time, assume. Set 0 is liquid molecule 0. Why do we have 2 breaks and then precedes? Do you want me to say all of this precedes all of this? If set 0 heat is very huge, set 0 changes over time. Set 0 is gas then. It's an odd... Changes? Is that too ambiguous? Let's see if we get another example of it in a sentence. As Earth atmosphere changes, assume. Present Earth atmosphere is not similar to past Earth atmosphere. Ancient atmosphere is most molecule 3, which is H2? What is H2? Or is that just hydrogen? Okay, yeah. Fair enough. Present atmosphere is most what? I think they've told me this before, right? Where would that be? Do I have that saved maybe in reference? No. Okay, where did you tell me about your atmosphere? Hey, Genetic. Unless they just want me to put not molecule 3, that would be convenient. No, I think I'm gonna have to find... Let's see, do you guys remember? Yes, they did. They discussed present atmosphere a few transmissions ago. Oh yeah, with that laundry list of molecules. Good catch, Carl. Paul? That does not work. Knew it as soon as I said it. Okay, I still have to find it myself. Planetary structure... Oh, there it is. Okay, where do you tell me what it's most? I think it's like most sulfur or something weird like that. Least molecule 0. Is Earth atmosphere is huge part, what am I? Molecule 0? Okay. What one was molecule 0? Oh, that's also water, right? Okay. Ancient atmosphere is most molecule 3, and present atmosphere is most molecule 0. Atmosphere changes. Ancient Zol changes. Zerth heat changes. Zol that Zerth atmosphere changes by. Okay. So just the sun did it? This isn't an intergalactic warning about global warming? Okay. Alan, did you understand that transmission? Of course I did. And why haven't you said something? That's the thing, I'm trying to put it all together. Based on Zol's mass, it's quite a bit smaller than Humanity Star. Go Humanity. Yeah, go Humanity. Since Zol is smaller, it is likely a red dwarf, a cooler, smaller star. As to why Zol changes by? Now there, I'm not sure. A red dwarf will gradually heat up and glow brighter as it does more and more fuse. But on an ancient timescale, I wouldn't expect much change, not unless it's a young star barely on the main sequence. Oh, maybe it is about global warming. Missing one lecture and having no idea what the fuck is going on. Literally missing words from your dictionary from that point forward. Ancient Earth that life forms by. Life forms that the Earth atmosphere changes by. Oh, okay, yeah. Life forms change the atmosphere. This I find even more fascinating. Life forms that Earth atmosphere changes by. Oh yeah? It's like animals making carbon dioxide and plants making oxygen. I wonder if their life forms has made an atmosphere equilibrium of its own. Okay, unknown A is a noun. It's a shape part. Shape 0, P1 is at 0, 0, 0. P1 to P7. Okay. So this is... shape part. Okay, so the vertices or whatever you call the points where edges meet is 8. Okay. What does that mean? It's the same as sides, right? Is that the same as sides? 4 sides is 4 points, right? Yeah. Okay, so it's got 8 sides and 8 corners. Shape 0, certain Anker count is 6. Certain Anker count is 6. This is a shape part. Eight-sided is like this, right? Certain 6. There's nothing to get yet, they're just educating me. Maybe I'll get more clues. Large transmission compiling. Well, so it was a 3-dimensional object as well. Let's see. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's a cube. Alright, P0. Oh, shape 0 P count is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Shape 0 line count is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. Shape 0 certain Anker count is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like face? Face. I'm going with face. Sphere certain face count equals 1 am I or 0? 1? No. Infinite? Interesting. Why 0 though? Or does face mean it has to be flat? Not curved. I've got a bone to pick with Steve. How come there's no word for humanity star? Sun. No, I mean, oh, you're frustrating. I mean, how come Steve didn't define a term for Humanity Star? We have Zol and Humanity Star. Seems a little biased. Humanity Star is not all that relevant. It was helpful largely for comparison to demonstrate our understanding of Star and Zol. Still, as a courtesy, I'm reminded of the brevity law. Frequent words are shorter because it optimizes for faster communication. Zol is used much more frequently than Humanity Star, so it gets its own term instead of relying on Alien Star. Brevity schmevity, a whole lot of disrespect, that's what I'm feeling, Steve. Okay, Shape 0 is sphere. Shape 0's certain face count is 0 or infinite. Uncertain X face count is what? What is meant by like axis face count? Why uncertain? I can imagine like inside and outside for some space, but is that what it's saying? On the X and Y and Z axis, there's a... And again, the count for... Why is it 2? I mean, let's see if this is also 2. Okay. I don't understand that, but sure. And that's it, we're moving on. Okay, cool. Got an adjective now. Okay. If variable 0 lose, variable 1 gain. Okay. Oh. Is uncertain puny distance assume? Okay. Variable 0 that variable 1 is Anka. And variable 1 that variable 0 is Anka. What am I that P1 is ultimate Anka? If variable 0 lose, variable 1 gain. Is uncertain puny distance. What am I that P1 is ultimate Anka? So P1 is 8, 6. If variable 0 lose, variable 1 gain is uncertain puny distance. This is going to be P something that P1, like in this form. In variable 0, so P something loses, P1 or whatever gains. Is uncertain puny distance. So is this going to be P4? Because it's the shortest distance between that and P1, maybe? Let's see. Okay. So is this something to do with proximity, I assume? So block 2 is ultimate Anka. What is this showing me? Alright. Oh, it's going to ask me to ask which of these is closest, I assume. Shape 0, face count is 6. Okay. Block 0 is face 0. Sure is. Yep. Shape 0, that block 6 is ultimate, yeah. Block 4. No. Shape 0. Oh wait, shape 0 that block 6 is ultimate Anka. Oh yeah, that is you. Is that not the closest? Maybe it's not just about proximity. Let's see what the guys say. I believe blocks 0 through 5 represent the different faces of the shape in the sculpture. Then they provide a numerical label for each face. You must respond with a specific face that completes the sentence. The meaning of said sentence remains a mystery to me. Count on Dr. Mew. Hey, Eschaton. I don't understand how that's not block 4 then. Has this not just been about proximity the whole time? Well, let's just see if any of the other blocks are correct then. Maybe that'll teach me something. It's not 1. It's not 2. It's not 3. It's not... wait, 3? Am I stupid? Huh? What? Am I just phrasing this wrong? Shape 0, block 4, that block 6 is ultimate Unkar. Let me try that again. It's not 0. Okay. It's not 1. It's not 2. It's not 3. It should be 4. It's not 4. And it's not 5. So... what? Is that not what it's asking me? Block 27? Okay, what am I missing? What am I not understanding? Oh, do you think that they want me to actually type face for? Oh, okay. Well, god damn it. I thought we both knew what we were talking about here, aliens. Okay. Sphere face count equals infinite, not 6. Uncertain is the operative term. Uncertain is despicable. Worst term. Uncertain and certain are incredibly beneficial. Their utility is in highlighting a particular context or frame of understanding, or unlocking the concepts at play in previously defined terms. It's immensely powerful. No, creates ambiguity, permits multiple interpretations. Fuzzy logic is dastardly. I see you and I will remain in disagreement. Okay. Shape 0 is sphere, and shape 0 uncertain face count is 6. Okay. Block 0... okay. Shape 0, what am I? That block 6 is ultimate Unkar opposite. Okay. So face 3, you want me to say? Okay. Let's just go with... I don't know, it's a verb, right? ultimate... Was it a verb, or am I just making that up? Hang on. That's an adjective, okay. I would say proximate. I guess near is fine though, isn't it? Does that still make sense? Ultimate, near, opposite. Yeah, sure. Star heat is very, very huge. I'd agree with that. Star heat greater than planet heat. Planet 0, planet 1. Planet 0, that star 0 is ultimate near. Planet 0 heat is probably greater than. Doesn't have to be, but... Planet face 0 star distance greater than planet face 1 star distance. So face 0 is less than? Two new words. Let's see, nouns. Zerth uncertain face count is 2. I guess because it's locked to the sun. Unca that... Okay, Unca that Zol is huge near all time when. Unc B that Zol is puny near all time when. What's a good word for this then? Is there nouns? Would day and night just work? Or is it light side and dark side? Summer and winter. I don't remember if that planet spins or not. Day side and night side, sure. Where the sun never sets. Where the sun never rises. Okay. Seems like I chose something correct. Day side heat greater than night side heat. Carrie, I need you to check my sanity here. Results are back. You will not be happy. Shove it. I'm more normal than you. Somewhere we finally agree. Hey, would you... Never mind. Carrie, I need you to put one of their phrases in plain English for me. All time when. What is this? When follows a time establishing a temporal frame. Time is simply, well, time, and all indicates totality, an aggregation encompassing everything. So I take this phrase to mean always. Yeah. That's what my gut told me. Thanks for confirming. You seem focused, I'll let you think. Okay, block 6, one moment. Okay, block 6 is Earth. Got it. Block 7 is Zol. Awesome. Dayside is variable 0. Base 1. And Nightside is base 4. Okay, Zerth at Zol is very near. Zerth at Zol orbit time 1 month, and Zerth that Zerth orbit time is 1 month. Yeah, it's like, is it tidally locked? That seems weird for a sun. But 1 month and 1 month. They're the same? Yeah, it's like always facing. Come on, Akers, you're an astronomer. Zerth star orbit time equals Zerth planet orbit time. All time when dayside is huge heat and night side is puny heat. Let's see what we got. Okay, new noun. Unca is most liquid molecule 0, which is water. And Unca is very huge. Is this gonna be about the icebergs melting, is it? Oh no, liquid, okay. Unca is most liquid, okay, like ocean or sea or something, right? Zerth is very covers aliens, huge moon, and Unca is very huge. I'm gonna go with ocean for now. Hold on, Dr. Mew, you might be onto something. Ocean is most H2O, and ocean is very huge. Zerth is very covers aliens, huge moon. So Zerth is very covers aliens, huge moon. And ocean is very huge. Very huge. Okay, covers as well. Nice. Zero. Huh? Ancient Dayside is liquid ocean, and Ancient Nightside is most solid ocean. Why does that start with a 0 though? Oh, I see. 1. Ancient Dayside, inside ocean, lifeforms forms. Okay. Ancient Dayside, inside ocean, limb live and body live. What am I equals 1? The passcode changed. And take a look at this one. What am I equals 2? What am I equals 3? The passcode keeps changing. Okay, bond 2. 1 Water? No, atom 6 is carbon. CO2. 1 CO2. 4... Don't know. Sure. Life forms that bond to forms by. Okay. I'm gonna assume this is the... I don't know, maybe it's photosynthesis or something. I get the idea. You're telling me about the primordial oceans. Onto that huge molecule 1 forms by. Okay. Big hydrocarbons? Life forms that bond to form... Oh. Life forms that bond to. Okay. Life forms that molecule 1 forms. Ancient atmosphere changes. Ancient atmosphere is huge part molecule 1. Okay. If atmosphere 0 is huge part molecule 1, and atmosphere 1 is puny part molecule 1, okay, atmosphere 0 heat is greater than atmosphere 1 heat. Okay. Ancient Earth atmosphere changes, and ancient atmosphere is huge part molecule 1. Ancient Earth heat is huge heat. Okay. We've moved on from lessons to lectures. The sequence continues. I know why. They're telling a story, the story of Xerth. Xerth is huge heat. Dayside changes and nightside changes. Dayside is huge heat and huge heat liquid that gas changes. Dayside liquid ocean changes. Dayside is gas ocean. Dayside is no longer an ocean. Xerth is huge heat. Nightside is huge heat and huge heat solid. That liquid changes. Nightside solid ocean changes. Nightside is liquid ocean. Oh, so that's why the atmosphere is full of water now. Dayside inside liquid ocean life forms live by precedes dayside is not an ocean. Okay. Most life forms dayside lose, nightside gain. Okay. So life had to move from the dayside to the nightside. No Zats and no Zats here. Wait, hold on. That term hasn't been defined yet. Okay. That's a little unusual. Most life forms dayside lose, nightside gain. Not all life forms move. Least life forms this thing. Don't even know if this is a noun or whatever. Looks like it's a... oh, it's a verb, okay. Ancient alien something. Ancient alien something. Ancient not alien exists. This is the word for a singular member of the species, usually. I wonder if this is something to do with extinction, maybe, or something like that. That's a little unusual. There was no definition transmission for this Anka. So this was the point of the story. No, we do not need suggestions yet. Most life forms, yeah. Not all life forms moved. A few life forms, this thing. Oh, adapted, maybe? Maybe that's what it's saying. So a few life forms, something, and ancient the species did this thing. Ancient, not alien, exists. I'll do adapted for now. Or, I don't know. Let's see if it gets used again. I guess moving is a form of adaptation, isn't it? Could be evolved, actually. Maybe that would be more straightforward. Welcome, team. You all look deep in thought. They've told us a story, a sequence of 10 transmissions where we never once were tested. We only had to acknowledge how ancient Xerth changes. Interesting. I assume you have all the tools needed to translate it, yes? This isn't another color situation where the meteor itself holds information? No, we had all the tools. But one. Final transmission we solved this week introduced adapted before defining it. Before defining it? Normally, terms are introduced with a definition transmission of a particular format. The term comes first, then two equals, then the word. Following that is any other grouping information such as Steve subset of alien. Then we will sometimes see a simple definition either by example or by relating it to a previously defined term. Right. I've seen these in your notes. So, adapted, it never had one? No. The 10th transmission in the sequence in the story is the first encounter of term 178. And what does that mean? They're making a point. Ah, I see. And Dot, before we go, we've figured something out. You know how Earth has a day side and a night side? No, it doesn't. Right, but the moon does. Our moon rotates in the same time that it revolves, meaning one side always faces us. All time when, always. We call this tidal locking. Hey, I was right. And they've defined terms for day side and night side? So is the huge moon tidally locked? That's good to know. No, their planet is. Well, that may be the case too, we don't know. But we do know that Xerth is tidally locked to Xol. Wait, so that means, yep, day side and night side, permanent day and permanent night. My goodness. Then that means, I'll have to think on that. In the uncertain auxiliary terms we've defined the past 2 weeks, inside, outside, face, we've learned some major things about how Xerth changes. It's been a productive week. Stellar work as always, Dr. Mew, Dr. Collins, Dr. Batista, and Dr. Akers. Until next week, Godspeed. Wonder if that new word is something to do with how they became a weird Symbionic species or something. Status: Alaska is so far north that at times we've stepped outside past 10 PM and it's still sunny. But permanent day, permanent night, tidal locking is something else. The auxiliary terms, as Carrie said, I prefer them. Ocean means something only because we live in the same universe. Dear Diary, their story was something special. Inside ocean life forms that bond to by. Ancient alien adapted by. The translation team has uncovered more answers, and with that comes more questions. Now, I didn't think of what my thoughts are this week. Lovely story. Adapted is life forms changes, yeah. Can't be that far off then. Okay, it's probably evolution then, isn't it? Or, yeah, the symbiosis thing. And there it was. There was what? The definition transmission. From last week? You don't remember discussing that? We encountered adapted before we defined it. I remember now. What? Excuse me, my mind's in another place. My mind is in La La Land. My mind is in Zerthland. Limb forms and body forms and what forms? Alien? Thought it was survive. I mean, that's one interpretation, right? Parent Alien Zero is not similar to parent. Nope, there's another word. Parent Alien Zero is not similar to Parent Alien 1. Okay. Parent Alien Zero and Parent Alien 1, but Offspring Alien Zero forms. Okay. Offspring Alien Zero is similar to Parent Alien Zero and Parent Alien 1. Definitely seems like it's going more in the evolution direction. Puny changes is puny changes. Puny changes, puny changes, some huge changes. Puny changes, puny changes, puny changes, puny changes, some is very huge changes. This is cool. This is like real messages now. Uncertain adapted is 0 is similar to 1, and 1 is similar to 2, and 2 is similar to 3, and 4 is similar to 5, and uncertain adapted. And 0 is not similar to 256? Is that going to be the point? Let's see. Yeah. Did you see that transmission, Batista? A numerical analogy for adapted. I figured you would appreciate that. Nope. Really? I figured you would enjoy certain numbers. The similar to ruins it, requires context, requires an understanding of the smallest and biggest and deviation. We can account for that with statistical description, can we not? Sure, but that transmission did not. It relied on preconceived notions of similar to. It is blurry, fuzzy, and unclean. Interesting how you view that. Adapted is Alien 0 and Alien 1, the Alien 2 forms, precedes Alien 2 and Alien 3, the Alien 4 forms, precedes Alien 4 and Alien 5, the Alien 6 forms, precedes... yeah. Let's go with not similar to again. Adapted is single 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subset of species 0. Why'd you have a... I see. So this is all in brackets. Adapted is... you give me the big definition. Okay, singles are a subset of species. Single 0 is similar to single 1, and single 0 is not single 1. Will die. Single 2 and single 5 live. So this is survival of the fittest, I assume. So offspring single 6 is similar to single 2. Okay, lifeforms 1 that lifeforms 0 eat, and lifeforms 2 that lifeforms 1 eat, and lifeforms 3 that lifeforms 2 eat, and what? You want 4, 2, 3 now? Yeah, 4, 3, isn't it? Lifeforms for that. Lifeforms 3 eat by. If single 0 that single 1 eat, single 1 die by, and single 0 live by. Okay. New word pair, let's see. We have 2 new nouns. Subset of life forms, okay. Predator and prey, maybe? If lifeform 0 move, assume lifeform 0 is Unca. Oh, maybe plants and animals? It's weird to think of plants and animals as opposites, though. Flora and fauna? Let's go with that for now. See if it keeps working. Okay, flora is fauna opposite. All life forms eat. Not all life forms that life forms eat. If life form 0 is flora, life forms that molecule, planet, star eat. Okay. Yeah, water, soil, sunlight. Sounds about right. If life forms 1 is fauna, Life forms one that flora or fauna eat. Then again, why is it exclusive? Or you can have an omnivore. Okay, 2 new words. What have we got now? Adjectives. If lifeform 0 is fauna, and lifeform 0 that fauna eat, lifeform 0 is carnivore. Wait, why is it the same lifeforms though? Wouldn't that mean it's a cannibal? Oh no, it's the other way around. They're eating fauna. Okay, yeah. Okay, carnivore. Full flora is... Oh, that's a weird way to phrase that. That's a really weird way to phrase that. Maybe I don't have the words correct. They're close enough for now, though, right? Alien subset of fauna. Humanity subset of fauna. Humanity subset of fauna. You take issue with this? I don't see us as faunas. We build languages and rocket ships and computers. Alien subset of fauna too. I know. You are completely irrational. Never said I wasn't. But it'd be great if there was a special word for us. For our kind of super smart fauna. If there was, it would not include you. Hey. Okay. New noun, subset fauna. If life forms inside a liquid ocean live by, life form 0 is fish. This will be opposite. Let's see. Marine. Land? It's a bit general, isn't it? You just throw in terms at me left and right here. Okay, subset of noun. Okay, is marine flora. Unca that fauna eat not. Okay. Bunker is herbivore? So this is like... I don't know, plankton? Seaweed? Some kind of water plant. Let's call you Coral for now. Just to give you a nice word. Ancient limb is marine carnivore fauna. Ancient body is coral. Easy day. Translation team, welcome. I believe we left off last week on Adapted. I assume you have some answers? We do, sir. We finally received our out-of-order definition transmission. Adapted is the process that species form by. Darwin would be proud. With the rough depiction of DNA a few hundred transmissions ago, I assume they had figured that out. They are scientifically superior in likely every way. What makes you say that? Knowledge moves on parallel tracks but affects each other. Information is interconnected. The advancements of physics and chemistry move together. Greater understanding of chemistry means we can build computers and rockets. Capabilities stack and multiply. Meteor alone is an engineering feat that proves their superiority. Unless you're in Civ 2 and you get to the modern age without researching trade. Which is why I hope we can learn some things from them. As do I. What else did we learn? You defined a suite of ecological terms. Fauna, flora, carnivore, herbivore, marine, land, coral. Coral? That seems like an odd category to highlight. To our standards, yes, but upon learning that body is coral, my understanding has changed. Body is coral. That's the 1 in the 1-to-8 relationship, yes? Correct, sir. That is coral? Very different from us. But at least we both share the lowly title of fauna. They can't be too superior now, can they? Oh wait, what? He's not a fan of the connotations of that word. They respect us quite dearly. We know this. A pleasure as always. Let's get some shut-eye. I must have misread. I thought they said that word was plant. Oh well, it can stay as coral. Happy to be a fauna. Many uncertain concepts, at least carnivore and herbivore, are defined by a functional relationship. Dear Diary, ecological concepts and adapted. I suspect I know what the meteor is soon to share. I actually don't know if coral is a plant or an animal now that I think about it. Let me look that up. Corals are colonial marine invertebrates. Oh, they're animals, okay. Alright then, perfect. About their scientific superiority, they definitely have us beat. It makes me wonder where else they're ahead. Maybe in humanities, though I doubt they'd call it that. Maybe that's a start. What the hell is coral anyway? We are almost at transmission 700, so we're getting close to the end now. Let's see, what do you guys have for all these? Near, adjacent, close. Star side. Ocean? Nothing for ocean. Adapted. Evolution, genetic, speciation. Fauna. Animal. Flora. Non-animal. I guess that would be more correct, actually. Carnivore? Oh, predator. Yeah, that would have been better as well. Herbivore. Prey. Ah, yeah, okay. That would be better, wouldn't it? I like that. Okay, marine. Fish, ocean dweller, aquatic. That's also good. Land. Land dweller, terrestrial. That's the word I was looking for to go with marine, I think. I want something more specific than just land, because it's not a geographical term, it's specifically... Yeah, I like terrestrial. Terra meaning earth or land, but this time it's not earth they're talking about. And do you have anything for this? No, okay. Let's see what we got now then. Okay, adjective. Unca is 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Equivalent, maybe? I mean, we already have an equals symbol, and we already have the word similar to. So I wonder what's special about this. Who knows? For now, 4, 3. Not that I mean it in the formal grammatical sense, but I find it helpful to classify the words as either auxiliary or end goal. I must ask myself, is Unca an auxiliary word, something we're defining solely for another concept, or is this the end goal concept to define? And how would you decide if that's the case? If they use the word to teach us something new, then it is end goal. If they use it immediately to define other words, then I would call it auxiliary. Okay. Aliens know humanity lives by communication. If humanity knows aliens live, assume it's because we've spoken to them. Live talk is so something about reciprocity in this word, maybe? Is that all they want? Do they want this word? Okay. Does that have is that a math term, reciprocal? Would that even be in here? Aliens that Meteor Zero forms by. If Meteor forms by is reciprocal, humanity that Meteor 1 forms by. Let's try that word for a bit. No idea if that's how you spell that off the top of my head. Hang on. Reciprocal. Yeah, yeah. Commutative. Ah, nice. Alien is body and limb. Reciprocal live. Okay. A lot of use out of this word anyway. We can use it for maths, we can use it for back and forth. We can use it for symbiosis or harmony. And on we go. Reciprocal would be that A equals B implies B equals A. Yeah. Okay, 2 words. Adjective, proton is unca, and what am I is unc B. Positive and negative? No, wait, don't we already have like a... Maybe we don't actually. Let's see, is it electron? It is, okay. Neutron is positive not. Let's see, proton is unc A. That's a bit weird because we've got minus. I guess we've also got like some though. It's not quite the same, is it? There's also no and not, and maybe this is like specific for charge. Neutron is... Do you want me to put something big here, or do you just want me to put positive not? Let's be fancy off the bat. Positive not and negative not. No, okay. Never mind. Okay, not negative? Okay. Let me look up how neutrons work. Neutral charge. Neutron is what not? Oh, is. Did I miss out the other is on the first one? Positive not and is negative not. Nope. And neutron is negative not. Neutron is something not. You just want me to say positive and negative? Not. Okay. Not how I would have phrased that in this language, but okay. Well, there you have it, auxiliary. Are you disappointed? Words could never disappoint me. And before us lies 2 more questions, Unc A and Unc B. Okay, verbs. Unc A is reciprocal move. Unc B is opposite. What is the opposite of a reciprocal move? Is this going to be really missing a lot of... Need to update the reference tab. Let's see, P0, 00, P1, 80. P0 and P1 Unca. Okay, reciprocal move. P0 gain P0 move. Is this like meeting in the middle, maybe? Let's see, are you also just 4-0? You are, okay. Negative and negative Unc B. Positive and positive Unc B. Positive and negative what? Unc B? Oh no, because if it's about meeting in the middle, maybe this will be Unc A. Oh, it's attracting and repelling, isn't it? Let's see, what did it say? Yeah, okay. Unc A is attract. Beats me. I've never learned physics in my life. We didn't even do physics at my high school. I did biology and chemistry. Okay, so negative and negative repel by, positive and positive repel by, positive and negative attract by. Attract or repel? All mass attract? Black hole ultimate huge attract. Dude, I'm crushing these chapters today. We've moved entirely beyond numbers. Okay, subset noun. Okay, is positive and negative attract. Okay, is positive and negative attract. It's a noun. So it could be just a general word for magnets or something? I don't know. Let's see where it goes. Well, that was it. Okay. Unc B. Unc B is subset of noun. Unc B is body part. What am I that Unca C by? Oh. Interesting. You have a organ that, a body part that you can see this thing by? Aliens. Maybe not. Oh, I'm misunderstanding. It's Unk B that Unk A see by. Okay. What does that mean? Another body part about Unk A. I don't have an easy human analog to hypothesize for this either. Dr. Mew may have to get creative. Well, at least this one's an end goal word. Okay, so you've got some little nodules that let you detect some sort of local field. I'm hearing the voice of the... what are they called? One of the Alpha Centauri expansion people describing the aliens, saying they appear to sense or possibly even manipulate local fields. Unk B block color equals 28. Outside alien, Unk B count equals what? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... I think it's 8. I think there are... birds, like, can see magnetic fields as well, right? Or some can. Alien Unk B count equals what? So 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, I cannot count. Let's look again. Alien Unk B count. 1, 2, 3. Maybe it wants me to... let's just make sure I counted this right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe it wants me to extrapolate from what it's showing me. So for every notch, there's actually 3. So that would be 24, wouldn't it? Okay. So what was the original transmission? Let's see. Seeing the limbs detached, not a fan. Makes me queasy. It is a model, an anatomical diagram. But couldn't they draw it similar to human anatomical diagrams, where it's a cross-section of a skinless human and you can see their organs? When you put it that way, we're really not any better. No transparent colors defined anyway. And I suppose detaching is the best we can ask for. Unca is positive and negative attract. Okay, limb compass count is 2. And body compass count is 8. Alien compass count is... Didn't we just do this, aliens? Alien compass count is 24 and alien inside compass count is 16. Alien outside compass count is 8. Inside and outside compasses. Oh goodness, is that... Oh, now what are you mulling over? This'll be something good. No, it's just that... One alien is 2 species, yes? So they bind sometime around Born, it seems. They must interface by some mechanism to exchange material and communicate. With inside compasses and outside compasses. We may have an answer to how they do the latter. Okay, the noun. Body part that want see. Want see. I wonder if that's describing the brain? That'd be one way of describing that. Probably better ways though. Limb brain count is 1, body brain count is 1. Let's try it for now. The organ of language. The organ of problem solving. The organ of experience. 8 limb brain, 1 body brain, sum equals what? Alien. 1 alien brain. More of this nonsense. 8 1 sum equals 1. Uncertain concepts, not certain math. With compass they had it right. Summed the units for a proper number. Here I disapprove. That is a good point. How come 24 compasses is 24 but 9 brain is 1? Alien brain, body brain, limb brain, species 0 brain, ... Species 1 brain not, species 2 brain not, ... All species brain not. Limb I and body I not. What am I? Alien I? Limb I and body I not, assume. What do you want me to say here? want something weird like this. Yes, okay. Limb compass and body compass and species 0 compass not. I don't even understand what this is saying exactly. It's trying to teach me something though. Meteor Zero that human eye... Okay, Meteor Zero knows that human eye is unobservable. Meteor Zero knows that human compass is unobservable. Assume the present quiz is greater than 0. Meteor Zero knows that human eye is observable. Surely. Human brain. Surely I'd have to have a brain to get this far. Okay. Human, alien and human brain. Okay, okay. Assume the alien brain is huge. Alien that something forms possible. Okay. The only thing I could think they were trying to say though. Human that Meteor Zero quiz see possible. Human eye? This is C this time. Let's see. No. They know we don't have a radio dish, right? We can't directly quiz Seaby. We build machines to do that. Even if we did have a biological radio dish. Oh yeah, they're talking about seeing the quiz. That is true. Maybe they think we have a... magnet? No, okay. Even if we did have a biological radio dish, they would be reasonable enough to lack confidence in assessing that much. Do you want me to say human brain is very big? Oh, what was the word? Alien brain is huge. Human brain is huge. Nice. Oh, yes, Batista? I understand. Okay. What did you want to say about that last one? All I'm gleaning from this is that it is a reflection of the previous transmission. Previous transmission states that alien brain is huge, assume. They possess some ability. Ability of meteor forms by. Yes, exactly. Now it's turned back onto us, onto human. We have the ability of meteor see by. And that remains to be solved. Yeah. Okay, Zerth alien brain is ultimate huge. Earth humanity brain. Do we have a word for a human? I can't remember. No. The ultimate huge brain. Only at twitch.tv/itsmew. Welcome, welcome. Where'd we leave off? Learning about their ecology, was that right? I owe Steve an apology. What? Yes. Batista, are you feeling okay? Yes. He's not even saying, What happened to him? I'm okay. I take issue with Steve's uncertain language. I take issue with information that depends on subjective experience. Math is the language of the universe. It is objective. It underpins all models, all modes of understanding the intrinsic nature of reality. A reality that is defined in terms of mathematical functions, algorithms that map symbols. Reality is a web of certain relationships, not states of perspective. Steve says 1/8 sum equals 1, and I reject it. Uncertain nonsense. That's not their point, Batista. Steve and aliens are trying to communicate with us, not redefine reality. I now know that. Brain is what changes that. Brain? Not familiar with this word. Was this recently defined? A brain is like water. More of it is simply more of one thing. 1 brain, 8 brain sum equals 1 brain. It makes sense. You took great issue with that mass noun identity before. Why do you proclaim it makes sense now? Now I see that communication is an extension of brain. The same mathematical mapping that is passed between neurons is passed in the information encoded in words. Just as 9 brains is 1, my brain is Steve's brain. We are one system. If I could be excused, I would like to call my wife. There is one more apology I owe. Go ahead. You've been excused. I feel like Batista just had a real breakthrough. What in the world was that about? Figured you 3 would know better than I. I think, no, I'm not sure. Something in his mind has become clear to him. Indeed. Yeah, it was really weird seeing him say yes. I don't think I've ever seen his mouth open that tall. Sometimes he speaks like he's scared of sound slipping out. Alright, I think we've discussed enough. I think Batista just saw his marriage in a new light. I don't know. Batista's words are something to think about? Yeah, who knows if he was even being coherent. Take care, all. Yeah, you too, Dop, and good night. Sweet dreams. Reciprocal positive, negative, attract, repel, magnetism, compass, brain. Status. Batista is really shaken by that brain word. I wonder what he got out of it that I didn't. Tracer has long understood something that I have not. Her understanding of this world is beautiful. Dear Diary, Batista, like myself, normally prefers to focus on his duties, especially with his apathetic nature for all things not computing. It's clear this meant something personal to him. They never really told me what brain meant. All I have is Dr. Mew's definition. I can't believe the aliens cured Batista of stemlorditis. That's a lot of words. Okay. What did you guys get for reciprocal? Hey, I'm always in tune with Collins. Have I seen Arrival? Arrival. Is that the one where they're trying to translate what the aliens are saying, and then it makes them see through time? Learning the yeah. Positive. Attract. Propal, interesting. What did you get for this? Yeah. Oh, electricity, okay. What did you get for this? Electric eye, electric organ, interesting. Sounds too much like an instrument to me. Did you just instantly get an idea? Okay, let me read this one. Ancient is 8 to the power of 10 multiplied by 6 months past. Okay. Precedes. Time is 8 to the power of 10 whatever. 5 multiplied past precedes. 4 multiplied past precedes. 3 multiplied past precedes. 2 multiplied past precedes. 1 multiplied past precedes. You can't multiply by 0, can you? Any significance to those numbers, Batista? No. Arbitrarily long time ago. Roughly 6 billion month past. 5 billion month past. You see the pattern. So we bottom out at 0 month past. I get it. Oh, it really is getting down to 0. Okay. But why? Why are they saying this? Progression of time. Let's see, from a long time ago to not so long ago. To 0 time in the past is what? What word do I even have to reply to that? I mean, that is describing the whole past. Is that right? No. Okay. What you've just described is unobservable. Is that right? No. Okay. What you've just described is... I don't know, really. Yeah, what did you have for these? Base. Yeah. Yeah. I guess that last one would be the present, right? Oh, okay. Fair enough. So, Batista, what? End of last week, huh? You really... Nope. What? Not allowed to follow up on that? Nope. Enough has been said. Now is a new week. Ooh, okay. I'll let you be. Good. Okay. Alien adapted 0. Ancient limb is marine predator fauna. Okay. Ancient body is coral. Okay. Marine 0, the body eat by. Ancient Limb that Marine 0 eat by. Marine 1 that Ancient Limb eat by. Okay. Alien Adapted 1. Ancient Limb inside Ancient Body gain move by. What am I equals 1? It's another sequence, it's another story. Marine 0 that Ancient Coral Unit eat by. When did we define unit? That must be a really long time ago, right? Why would they use a unit now? That's like the actual word to describe. Just saw it and then there. Measurement. See you, Gnatic. Thanks for stopping by. Marine 0 the Ancient Coral Unit eat by. Why on earth did they use that word? Ancient Limb inside Ancient Body. Gain move, yeah. So the bodies couldn't move until they got limbs, I guess. Marine 0 that Ancient Coral Unit eat. Why unit? That's so confusing. Marine 0 that Ancient Coral eat. When Ancient Limb outside Ancient Body. Lose move. And that Marine 0 eat by. So this is what Ancient Coral... Well, I don't know why it's saying unit, but Marine 0 is what Ancient Coral would eat when Ancient Limb was outside of the body. I think. Well, maybe not. Marine 0 that Ancient Body eat not. Marine 0 that Ancient Coral Unit eat. When Ancient Limb outside Ancient Body. You can no longer move. And eat. Maybe. I'm not sure. Ancient Limb inside Ancient Body gain move. Marine 0 that Ancient Coral eat. When Ancient Limb outside Ancient Body lose move. Marine 0 that Ancient Body eat not. I assume it's something about the limbs let them move around to eat or something. Ancient Limb that Marine 0 eat by. Okay, assume we used Ancient Limbs to eat Marine 0. And assume Ancient Body didn't die. The Ancient Body knows that the Ancient Limb is good. Okay. Sure. So the limbs let the ancient body move around and eat, didn't get killed. So the ancient body liked the ancient limb. Sure. I can follow that. Marine 1 that ancient limb eat. When ancient limb inside ancient body. The ancient limbs stopped eating Marine 1. Okay. This isn't just another sequence from the story. This is their story. The limb and body. Marine 1 that... You know what? I'm gonna just clean up Marine. Marine 1 that ancient limb eat not. Assume. Ancient limb doesn't die. So ancient limb, the ancient body is good. Okay. So they both got something out of it. Ancient body, the ancient limb is good. And ancient limb, the ancient body is good. Ancient body and ancient limb is reciprocal good. How sweet. You love to see it. Ancient bodies and ancient limbs. Hand in, well, not hand, but ancient body and ancient limb is reciprocal good. Ancient limb that ancient body is very near. Makes sense? Ancient limb is inside ancient body. Ancient alien is... Right, I see. Okay. So that's the point where they became the alien. Once the limb was inside the body, I guess. If ancient alien that Predator Marine 1 is near. Is this saying ancient aliens that we predate on? Or let's see. Predator Marine 1 that ancient alien eat. Ancient alien die. If ancient alien move possible, predator that ancient alien eat possible not. Okay, so yeah, this was them being predated, but because they could move now, they were able to escape their predators. Okay, sounds good. If ancient alien move, ancient alien inside uncertain quiz forms. Ancient alien inside uncertain quiz forms. Ancient limb compass that magnetism uncertain quiz forms possible. An ancient body compass that magnetism quiz C. Okay. If ancient alien move, which means it's got the limbs now. Ancient alien inside uncertain quiz forms. ancient limb compass. But magnetism and certain quiz forms possible. An ancient body compass. The magnetism quiz Seaby. Okay, this is not super clear to me. Bizarre to see them use the word quiz. Since so far that's my word for the specific problem we are on. So that would be quiz equals 729 right now. It's really funny if they can use it in general to mean like questions or queries or something though. What did you guys put for the word quiz actually? I think they just put like transmission. Transmission info packet transmission. They both do. The body has 8 and the limb has 2. But it's where it attaches, so I wonder if the limbs couldn't see once they attached or something. I'm not sure exactly. I'm sure Collins will explain it later. Ancient alien inside uncertain quiz forms. And move, and eat, and live. 2 species changes, 2 species adapted. 1 species is future when. Xerth changes. Present Xerth heat is huge. Dayside liquid ocean is not. Ancient alien is marine. Ancient alien nightside liquid ocean gain. Move or ancient alien adapted. Dayside ancient alien adapted precedes ancient alien is marine and ancient alien is terrestrial. Okay, so they adapted to being on the light side, which led to them no longer being marine life forms and becoming terrestrial life forms. Ancient alien is terrestrial. All dayside liquid ocean species nightside liquid ocean gain. Move or adapt. Least species move. Not. Least species do not move. And least species adapted. Ancient alien move speed is puny. And ancient alien area is puny. Most ancient alien die. Ancient alien adapted. Okay. Sometimes when I read the sentences, it reminds me of the oars from Star Control. Ancient Campers is very unhappy. Ancient Alien adapted. Ancient Alien Brain adapted. Ancient Alien Brain changes, and Ancient Alien Brain is very huge. Stuff like Brain is very huge reminds me of them. Ancient Alien changes. Ancient Alien is present alien. All Zerth species. Alien Brain is ultimate huge. Eight to the power of 6 times 2 equals 524,288 month in the past when ancient alien changes and present alien is, I think the word is going to be. 500,000 months. How long is that in Earth years? 33 Earth days per month, 365 Earth days in an Earth year, roughly divide by 10, 5,000 Earth years ago. Wait, I missed a zero. 50,000 years before, 180,000 years ago. Is. Okay. Unk A, subset of adjective. Unc is brain is very huge. Alien is sentient maybe, or something like that. Intelligent. I mean, everything's intelligent, right? Wicked smart. Let's go super philosophical. I guess it's not really, brain is very huge, but most Zerth species is conscious now. Single zero is alien not. Single zero knows that Zolis star is observable not. All Zerth species, alien is something huge conscious. Humanity is conscious. I like the sound of that. Does it? What's the other word I'm thinking of? See, the negative connotation you held in fauna, it was not the end-all be-all. Sapient. Let's see. Maybe. I'll go with sapient. Most species is sapient not. Single zero is not an alien. Okay. Single zero knows that Zol is a star is observable not. Okay. All Zerth species. Alien is what huge sapient. All Zerth species alien is something huge sapient. Do you want ultimate? You do, okay. Aliens know that the sapient lifeforms count is greater than 1 by talking. Aliens know humanity exists by talking. Aliens know humanity sapient? Is that how you phrase that? Humanity is sapient? Yeah. Aliens know aliens exist is observable. Aliens know sapient lifeforms count greater than 0 is observable. Aliens know that humanity existing is unobservable. Aliens know sapient lifeforms count greater than what is unobservable. 1. Meteor knows humanity existing is observable, and Meteor knows humanity is sapient is observable. Yuchuan, aliens know humanity is, and humanity is sapient is observable by talking. Okay. New word. It's an interesting perspective. To Meteor Zero, it's obvious we exist and that we're sapient, but aliens are still in the dark. We are still unobservable, which means to them, the presence of other sapient life forms remains unobservable. Okay. Unknown A, subset of noun. It's quiz, it's term. Quiz, term. All Meteor quiz is something Unk A and aliens Unk A. I guess humanity. Okay. No, there's no alien aboard the Meteor, unfortunately. That we know of. Steve is the guy who wrote all of these messages that we're reading and working through. He's the designer of, like, the actual messages. And there was an engineering team of, like, 250 aliens who built the Meteor itself. But Steve's the guy who wrote all the messages. Assume aliens are sapient. Aliens that something forms by. Could this be language, maybe? Aliens that language forms by. Earth species that language forms possible count as 1. Let's go with language. If that's right, Collins should definitely say something. Aha. My life's work. Thank you, Dr. Mew. Let's see. Aliens are sapient, assume. Aliens that language forms by. Earth, species that language forms by possible count is 1. Language species is... I mean, now it's 2, right? But... okay. Within the conceit of that message, it's 1. No! Language species is... oh, or do you just want me to put... aliens? Oh, okay. Quiz, term, aliens, language. Could this be? Aliens is sapient and uncertain quiz forms by. And aliens... aliens love. Aliens form language. Present quiz greater than 512. Humanity that what forms? Also language then? Maybe? Okay. Why quiz 512? I was just thinking that. Was there anything particularly special about it? Dr. Mew, answer him. 8 cubed. Ah, right. To them that's 1000. Arbitrarily far in the translation. Okay, unknown A, subset of verb. Unknown A is reciprocal language forms. And unknown A is reciprocal language C. Limb and body inside something. Communication, maybe? Limb and body inside communicate? Alien 0 and Alien 1 outside communicate? Meteor and humanity communicate? Communicate is reciprocal language C. Let's try it. Communicate. Meteor and humanity communicate. Meteor knows humanity knows Earth communicate. Humanity knows what is observable. Meteor knows, humanity knows, Earth communicate. No. Meteor knows that humanity and Earth communicate. Why is this bracketed off then? Let's see if this is Earth communicate by. Do I need to put you in brackets? Let's see. Can I take you out of the brackets? No. You just want communicate? Although I think it would have to be communicate by. Which means it would be that. Hmm. Assume that Meteor is how humanity and Earth communicate. Humanity what is observable? What do you want me to put here? Do you want Meteor communicate by? What am I missing? That's interesting, that's just an and, not a that. I'm really not sure what it wants me to put here. Right, the obvious ones. I tried this one as well, right? So what else is observable from... humanity that... I really don't know what it wants me to say here. I mean, humanity knows that meteor that Earth communicate by? I think that's one of the first things I tried though, right? What else could I possibly try? I think I've tried that too. What do you want from me, Steve? Meteor knows that humanity knows that Zerth communicates. Humanity knows... I mean, I feel like I've tried I've tried every combination of this, have I not? Zerth communicate by... Meteor communicate by... Humanity communicate by? Be kind of weird if you want me to confirm that I know humanity communicates. Okay. It's not confirming that I know anything is communicating. Unless you want me to put aliens now? Us communicating with the meteor is observable. The meteor communicating with us is observable. Humanity knows, I mean, the meteor is observable. Zerth is observable. What do you want from me? This one I do not understand. Surely it's something I've already tried. Zerth and humanity communicate is observable. I am stumped on this one. Usually when I get stuck on the simple ones like that, it's looking for like one word or something that I just didn't. It'd have to be a verb, so it has to be something by. Humanity that... Maybe this is talking about... Well, then that wouldn't make sense though, would it? This can sometimes mean that we know something though. Like here I think the sentence is that the meteor knows that humanity knows that Zerth communicates. So humanity knows something is observable, maybe? What if it's just communicate? Is that observable? I don't know. Communicate. Humanity knows something is observable from this. What else have we just... Aliens is sapient? And that's... I don't know. What... we can see your quiz. Oops. Is there something in here about... It's very little to go off as well, isn't there? What if I just write everything you've got there? Meteor knows that humanity knows that Zerth communicates. Meteor that. Humanity that's Zerth. Communicate. No. What is observable then? Do I have any words? Humanity knows that aliens is good, is observable. Big long shot. Okay. Worth a try. I think I tried this already, didn't I? Don't even have ideas for this. Meteor that humanity that Earth communicate. Humanity, what is observable? I feel like I've tried every reasonable answer for that. What did you guys have for the definition of observable anyway? Maybe it's got a better meaning. What was that? Node aware known. Yeah. I've already tried. Does Earth communicate? Aliens communicate? Did I try aliens communicate actually? Is Earth without the brackets? With the by? Aliens whip by. Is anyone here? Let's see. 3 viewers. I don't suppose anyone has any ideas for this one, do they? I'm a bit stumped. Let's see what the guys have for all of these words. This is just, I mean, if Earth is communicating with humanity by the meteor, what does humanity know? Language. Alien is sapient. Actually, that would be aliens is. What does humanity know? Good question. What is observable? What is known? Surely the first one I tried was Meteor that Earth communicate by, right? Maybe I got it the other way around? You have language. Assume aliens are sapient. Aliens form language. Oh, maybe it's something like this? I don't know. Although this isn't one of those, is it? Aliens are sapient and uncertain quiz forms by... And aliens that aliens love. Aliens make language. Present quiz is over 512. This must be something simple. How do you guys not have any ideas for me? This one's brutal. Humanity, and I think I've tried every version of this. Meteor that... Humanity and... Zeus? Let's try this thing. Language forms possible count. No, we know. Species that language forms possible count is greater than 1. Don't have a title for this group yet. Although I assume it's just going to be like communication or something. Probably not going to help, is it? Well, this must be a great stream. I don't really... I'm like completely stumped. It's such a short quiz. And it seems like it should be obvious, but... I don't really know what else to even try at this point. Is there a simple... Maybe there's just one word, something that we know is observable from this. Although I can't think what that could possibly be. The meteor is what is sending out the signals that we're picking up. So the way I read this sentence is Earth, which is the alien planet. Earth is communicating with humanity via the meteor, because that's what's sending the signal. Did we ever define Earth? I don't think we did. We did. They're very particular about knowledge that is known and knowledge that is unknown. So they'll say things like, they can send messages to us, and that means that there are two intelligent species would be observable to us, but to them there's only one intelligent species that is observable, because they've never had a signal from us. But the question here is, based on this, based on the fact that either Earth is communicating with humanity via the meteor, or the meteor knows that humanity knows that Earth can communicate. That's the two ways you could read that sentence. Humanity knows something is an observable quality. Or humanity doing something is an observable quality. So for instance, we could say humanity knows that Earth communicates is observable. But that's not what it's looking for. I have no idea what it's looking for at this point. I don't know what piece of knowledge this gives us that I haven't tried already. Is it simpler than this? Do you just want me to say Earth is observable? What? Fuck's sake. How did I not try that? What the fuck? It's so stupid. What does this even mean? Zerth communicates with humanity by the meteor, so humanity knows that Zerth is observable? That doesn't even make sense. Alright, fucking sure. Alright. The word Zerth is just the word that I've put for the planet. I don't know what it means when it's in square brackets like that. I don't know why they've formatted it like that. I think it's because it's being expressed like a set, so it wants it to say, it's not that the planet itself is speaking, it's that, as you say, Zerth as a collective entity is communicating. But how does that lead to me saying that the planet is knowable? I don't know. Oh well. You can tell that was supposed to be a really short, easy one because the guys didn't even say anything. I guess overcomplicated it, or my words aren't quite correct to make it obvious, I don't know. Anyway, new word, noun. This word is that all is observable talk by. That all is observable talk by. Okay. Okay, is that all is observable, assume is desirable. Okay, is atom and react and light speed and mass and star and planet and adapted and brain and... Okay, is... Assume if aliens that set is observable. Okay, what are you telling me? If aliens that set is observable. Talk is my word for a very, very general word that means like coexistence or cooperation or all kinds of stuff, really. That all is observable coexist by. Assume that all is observable is desirable. And planet and evolution and brain. Okay, well, I assume this is going to be Unkay, whatever this word is, so let's just see where it takes us. It's not that word. Oh, interesting. Alright, because this is within the brackets. So Unkay is, if aliens that set is observable. No. If aliens that set is observable, what does that mean? If aliens that set, what else is the word set used for? Isn't it just a group? Maybe that's what it means. If aliens that group is observable? What is set? What an old word. What did you guys say? Container struct geometry. It's being used as a verb here. If aliens that group, categorize, is observable? Aliens is what? If aliens that set is observable, then aliens is observable, I guess? I have no idea what it could be asking me for here. Dude, these last two have been rough. Why does it line break here as well? That's so odd. Oh, I guess for if. Oh. So that's my fault. Let's see. Unk A is... That all is observable. Talk by. So is this going to be talk by? Okay, I think this is maybe saying Unke is all things that are known by indirect means, by cooperation. Unke is also... that knowing everything is desirable. And what else did... How did you guys define desirable? You don't have ideas for desirable, okay. So what could this mean? It's something about knowledge. Okay, is the idea that if we assume that everything is knowable, this is desirable. So maybe something to do with curiosity, or... But then this is a bit weirder. Because this isn't conceptual, this is... Uncre is atom and react and light speed and mass and star and planet and evolution and brain. Maybe this is like science or something? Then I don't understand if aliens that set. Let's go with science anyway. See if we can clean the message up a bit. Our greatest triumph. Science is the belief that we can eventually figure everything out incrementally. Science is the belief that everything being known is desirable. Science is atom and react and light speed and mass and star and planet and adapted and brain. Okay, so that gives us to the question. Science is if aliens that set is observable. What is set in this context? Aliens is what? Where does that get us? Aliens is good. Aliens that set is observable. Or maybe it's just using set as a subcategory of all. So they're saying that aliens know some things. Maybe that's... So aliens is what? We're dumb because we don't know everything? Yeah. It's defining science again here. So science is the idea that if aliens... Assume if aliens... If aliens know a subset of everything that's observable, aliens is... Not sure what else I could really put here that would make sense. Is that bad because you don't know everything? What could you want? Just weird because I've never seen the word set used this way before, so I'm not sure exactly what it's trying to say. Would saying alien is set give me anything? Didn't think it would, but... If aliens... set is observable... Aliens is what? There's a definition for science. What have I tried so far? Not much, really. I'm not sure what would even make sense. Science is the idea that assuming aliens that set is observable, aliens is what? I don't know. It's either saying aliens that set, and set is a verb, or it's saying something like aliens know part of what is observable. We do have a word for part. It's weird they wouldn't have used that, I guess. Although I guess a set is a grouping, not an individual piece, right? We definitely shouldn't read this as all, because we have the word all established. So I think it's being used in this context as not all. But again, they could have just said not all, so I don't... The best I can come up with is science is the idea that if aliens know... They only know part of everything. Aliens is... I don't know. Want? Aliens is... I think sometimes we can use undesirable to mean like unhappy, but... Aliens is... I don't know. Did we get any ideas? Bro, why... Are these last two supposed to be easy or something? Like, why... This has just been like a brick wall for the last hour, I think. Aliens is bad. Aliens is... Want, talk, buy. Aliens is talk by. Aliens is not talk by. Aliens is... uncertain? Maybe this is where they built the meteor? Oh. What did I do? Forms meteor. Bit of a long shot. Science is defined as through cooperation, all things are knowable. Science is the idea that all things being knowable is desirable. If aliens know a set of things that are knowable, aliens is what? This is a noun, right? Yeah. Aliens is what? You want not desirable? It wants me to say something existential. Aliens is something. Maybe this is a real long shot. once again, not really sure what to try. Aliens is science. Aliens is observable. Aliens is unobservable. Aliens that set is observable. I still don't really know I mean, I know a few things it could mean. Did I try just set here? That wouldn't make any sense, would it? Whatever word I use is gonna be in this page, I think. Or something recent. Why would they use the word sad? Aliens know part of what is knowable. What does that make the aliens? What else have we done recently? Okay, I really don't know. And it is now 2:45 in the morning, so... Feels bad ending stuck, but... Maybe I'll figure it out in my dreams. Let's see. I'll leave it there for tonight. yeah, bit of a bit of a hard end to the stream, that one. I feel like the first 2 hours great. The last 2 hours basically got through 2 messages. But oh well. I'll try again tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out anyway, guys. I'll see you around.